Good day, Sheldon Needle speaking to you from CTS Guides. Today I want to talk to you about the subject area of a company with which both manufactures and installs the product it manufactures. This can be, for example, a company who manufactures countertops and installs them in new homes. But today the particular case I want to speak about is a company that is a specialty contractor that makes curtain walls for commercial buildings. They manufacture the curtain walls as well as install them at the job site. And the curtain walls are an engineered product, meaning that they're done to a drawing, and they're very specific specifications on how to make these curtain walls, which involve aluminum fabrication and manufacturing in order to get them to the job site on schedule. The engineer to order part of the business is quite complex in terms of keeping track of engineering change orders for the bill of materials and associated documentation. Furthermore, job shop flow is very critical because they have to be produced on a schedule that matches up with the construction site schedule, and they cannot be made either too much too early or much later than the schedule. Otherwise, they'll miss the opportunity to stay on schedule with the job, or they may wind up sitting on too much inventory in their shop. So there's a lot of complications with this type of a business. Now, on the contractor side itself, when they install the curtain walls, they have to these projects can run up to a year, and you have all the issues of collecting labor from the field, as well as change orders and submittals and the like type of contractor documentation that has to be managed. Now, the construction side of the business is very specific as to its requirements, as well as the manufacturing side. So you really can't find one piece of software that's going to be to handle both. What I generally recommend in these situations is for the company to buy two software solutions. One would be obviously to run the engineering side of the business, the shop floor control, the inventory management, and the shipping to the job site, and the other to do the labor, materials, and overhead tracking, as well as the scheduling on the construction site. This means that both of these systems would have to be interfaced at an arm's length transaction in order to do everything. The particular company I spoke with has been using computer ease for construction software, and they were reasonably satisfied with it, but for some reason they decided to buy Viewpoint late in 2012. They have not yet been able to get Viewpoint up and running for various reasons, not all the fault of Viewpoint software itself. And they've never had anything for manufacturing software. So they have a big challenge now in learning to use Viewpoint and acquiring and learning how to use a good engineer to order manufacturing system. But this is really where they have to go in order to be successful. This is a $50 million plus company. It's growing very fast. They need to get their IT infrastructure in place and learn how to make these software applications work and talk to each other. So that's my talk today, and wish you a great rest of the day.